Today, we bring you an important consumer alert. On July 10th, 2025, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration issued a voluntary nationwide recall of more than 67,000 cases of Power Stick deodorants. This recall affects three specific roll-on deodorant products, all pulled for failing to meet the FDA's current good manufacturing practices, known as cGMP. Let's explore the who, what, why, and what you should do next. Part 1. What was recalled? 0:30 to 2 o'clock. First, the scope of the recall. Power Stick for her roll-on antiperspirant deodorant, Powder Fresh. Approximately 21,265 cases recalled. Power Stick Invisible Protection Roll-On Antiperspirant Deodorant, Spring Fresh. Around 22,482 cases recalled. Power Stick Original Nourishing Invisible Protection Roll-On Antiperspirant Deodorant. Approximately 23,467 cases recalled. In total, that adds up to 67,214 cases distributed across the nation. These roll-on deodorants were widely available through major retailers, Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Amazon, among others, so they reached countless homes across the. Part 2. Who's involved? 2 to 3:30. The recall was initiated by the manufacturer, AP Deauville, a personal care company based in Pennsylvania. While AP Deauville has yet to formally comment to People, the FDA confirms the decision to pull these products was voluntary. This firm isn't new to regulatory attention. In 2005, it faced a $50,000 settlement with California officials over excessive volatile organic compounds in a different product line. Despite this history, the company emphasized compliance. All products are manufactured in an FDA-regulated Pennsylvania facility. Still, this latest recall highlights gaps in quality control systems. Part 3. Why recall? 3:30 to 5:30. The FDA's reason: deviations from current good manufacturing practices, or cGMP, which guide how consumer health products should be produced. These standards ensure products are made consistently, safely, and contain promised ingredients at intended strengths. A breach of cGMP doesn't necessarily imply that the deodorant itself is unsafe, but it does mean its production may not reliably guarantee effectiveness or purity. For example, there may be issues like cross-contamination, improper labeling, or insufficient monitoring during manufacturing. Importantly, no injuries or illnesses have been reported in connection to these products. Still, the FDA urges caution. These regulations protect consumers from unpredictable outcomes when applying products to their skin. Part 4. How to identify recalled products, 5:30 to 7:30. If you've purchased Power Stick roll-on deodorants recently, here's what to do. Check the labels or case stickers to confirm whether your products are one of the recalled types. Powder Fresh for her. Spring Fresh, Invisible Protection. Original Nourishing, Invisible Protection. Lift the product barcodes. There are specific lot numbers tied to the recall. These codes help you match your item with the FDA recall list. If unsure, discard the item. Don't use it. You may choose to return it to the retailer or follow disposal guidelines, depending on local rules. WRAL.com. https://www.ky3.com. Let's repeat. Stop using any affected products immediately and dispose of them safely. Part 5. Retail reach and pricing, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. These deodorants were widely available. At Walmart, a 3-pack sold for around $21. At Dollar Tree, a value pack of 24 bottles went for about $30. Also sold online via Amazon, though listing prices vary. Despite the recall, online listings show positive reviews, a solid 4.2-star average for these products. Users appreciated the non-sticky feel and 24-hour odor protection. The Sun. Still, due to the quality control violations, customers are advised not to continue use, even if their experience was otherwise positive. Part 6. Broader context, 9 to 11 o'clock. This recall is part of a larger trend in intensified scrutiny of personal care products. Earlier this year, the FDA recalled several skincare brands, including La Roche-Posay, Proactive, and Walgreens private label, for benzene contamination, a known carcinogen. Houston Chronicle. In 2024, there were nearly 300 food-related recalls, reported to have caused around 1,400 illnesses and 19 deaths. The Independent. Such figures reflect growing consumer and regulatory concern over product safety across multiple sectors: food, personal care, household goods, and beyond. Part 7. What you should do. 11 to 1300 hours. Here's a quick action guide. Stop using any Power Stick roll-on deodorants you have now. Check for recall details. Product variant: Powder Fresh, Spring Fresh, Original Nourishing. Lot number under barcode. Dispose safely or return it per store instructions. Monitor updates from FDA and AP Deauville. Any refund or replacement options should be outlined in official recall announcements. Speak with a healthcare professional if you experience skin irritation, unusual side effects, or other concerns while using the product. While there have been no reported injuries, erring on the side of caution is always best. Part 8. Manufacturer and FDA roles. 13 to 1500 hours. Let's dive deeper into responsibilities. AP Deauville voluntarily issued the recall after identifying cGMP violations. Frequently monitors manufacturing standards in its Pennsylvania facility. Usually cooperates with regulatory enforcement seen previously during its 2005 settlement. The FDA mandates cGMP compliance to ensure product quality. Publishes cGMP deviations to inform the public. Monitors industry compliance, stepping in when standards aren't met. This recall showcases the system working as intended. Manufacturer catches compliance lapses, FDA steps in to protect consumers, and recalls are executed before any harm is reported. Part 9. Consumer Awareness and Product Safety, 15 to 1730. This situation offers broader takeaways. Vigilance matters. Even trusted products can drift from manufacturing standards. cGMP insights. Not just food and drugs. Also applies to everyday personal care items. Involves everything from ingredient quality control to cleanliness in facilities. Deviation can undermine product integrity, efficacy, and safety, even with no immediate warnings. Regulatory systems function when transparent. Public recall notices help consumers make informed decisions, like stopping use or seeking alternatives. Part 10. Final recap and closing, 1730 to 1830. Let's wrap up. What? 67,214 cases of Power Stick roll-on deodorant, 3 variants, recalled due to cGMP violations. When recall issued July 10, 2025. Where nationwide, across Walmart, Dollar Tree, Amazon, and other retailers. Why? Manufacturer failed to meet FDA's manufacturing standards. USA-made product. Risk: no reported injuries. Recall is precautionary, but safety can't be guaranteed. What you can do: check your products, stop using if affected, dispose or return safely. Longer view: part of broader regulatory enforcement across food, skincare, deodorant products. Consumer safety is served by swift, transparent action. This has been a People.com Consumer Safety Update. Stay informed, stay safe. Outro. 1830 to 1900 hours. Tone shifts to warm closure. Thank you for tuning in. If you've been impacted by this recall, we wish you well. Stay informed, your well-being matters. For more updates like this, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, or check the People.com website. Be safe and take care.